It's funny, she came over and she's like, look what I found. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be a jackpot. What's going on, everybody? Steve here at Rake and Profit, and we're just leaving Savers with Momma Profit, who you haven't seen on the Rake and Profit channel for a while. You've been selling on Amazon for how many years now?
I would say over 12 years.
Wow, over 12 years. I keep telling people I've only been selling for 10, but I think it's longer than 10. Yeah, 12 might be about right. 2012 or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, so sounds about right. Show everyone what you found today at Savers. Check this out. So on the left, and if you guys don't know what these are, these things sell for a lot of money new. For used, they don't really sell a ton, but this is a Franklin Collegiate 11th edition. What are these things? Like they're the little, they're like a thesaurus dictionary type of thing. This one on the right is, yeah, it's a dictionary. I don't even know what it's so funny. Half the things I sell, I don't even know what they actually do. But yeah, they're like little dictionaries. Mom, tell them how much these are selling for after we look them up on Amazon. So let's talk about this one right here. Can you remember what this is selling for?
Is it close to 200 or something?
$150 right now, with about 150,000 rank in office supplies, I believe. And then this one right here, there was only one seller, which was about 300, but we looked it up on Keepa through the historical data, and it's selling between 200 to 300. I think honestly, this, Mom, probably 250 to 300 bucks on that brand new. Why? Because it's very hard to come across these new. There's hardly anybody selling it. There is historic data of people buying these for $250 to $300. The only risk of selling this on Amazon FBA is what?
Someone opens it up and they return it.
Yes, so I flip these quite a bit from eBay to Amazon, Mom. So I buy them on eBay and sell them on Amazon. But guess what? I'm not paying $5.99. I'm paying, if I'm going to sell something for $150, I'm paying $75. If I'm going to sell it for $300, I'm paying like $150. So what a score. What was your reaction when you saw this, and where did you find this in Savers?
In one of the containers.
Yep. And did he just bring it out?
It had been sitting out for a little bit.
Oh, I wonder if were there any other resellers around, or were you the only one?
I was the only one.
Wow. So look at you. That is fantastic. And tell everybody, what are we doing in May?
We are going on a cruise.
Yep. And what cruise are we going on? Do you remember?
Royal.
Yep. Royal Caribbean. And our drink packages together came to about $300. So that's the profit for our drink packages. Congratulations. It's funny. She came over and she's like, look what I found. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be a jackpot. But there are some of these Franklin dictionaries or whatever these things are that only sell for $40, because you actually found another one. But tell everyone what was wrong with it.
It was torn up, the package, and it was kind of faded and everything.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're going to sell items as new, the plastic and everything has to be 100% new, and you don't want it to have like damage. Like the one that we left behind, it was only for 40 bucks. It wasn't like a rare one like this, but this was all smashed up, and it had a really like brown tint to it.
Yeah, it was very dirty.
Yeah, it was very dirty. So yeah, great find. How you feeling right now? Do you find items like this all the time, or was this a special surprise for you lately?
A special surprise.
Yeah, you said things have been a little tougher, right? There's
right.
more competition, not as many books anymore. So this is a nice little surprise. Congrats. Final words you want to tell everyone on YouTube after finding these items right here?
Just keep going out and, you'll find something.
You get lucky from time to time.
Right.
Congrats. All right. Well, thank you, Savers. And yeah, keep on picking and making that money. Good work.